Good morning, Ria from Maisie Moo here. I'm jumping on this morning to show you ever so quickly how to put together the new ribbon, the key fobs or bag charms. Now these are awareness ribbons. We've got two different shapes. You can see this one's your classic traditional one, and I've done it in the easy stitch. We've made one with a heart. This has been a request actually from a customer, so she wanted that with the heart and I thought that was really cute. So you've got two options with the ribbon. I've also done just a simple shape. It's a puzzle piece shape, so this is symbolic for autism and other causes, and then we actually do have just your autism puzzle pieces fob here. And what I did with this was use HTV because it was going to get way too fiddly to do separate pieces. So what I've done with that is cut these out in the different colours and then just applied each piece before we just simply sewed the two sides together. You could make it double-sided obviously. We've gone around and then you can go back again, or you can just keep it like I've done here and just leave it as a single stitch. But today what I wanted to do was just quickly show you how to put together the ribbon. I mean, it is really rather straightforward, and I'll talk you through it quickly. We're going to start by sewing the inside shape. So whether it's the heart or the triangle, you want to sew around once and then come back again, and then we're going to take our thread across and we're going to stitch around the edge of your ribbon. But as we go, we're going to be stuffing it with some polyfill. Now this is just from a bag of polyfill, but you can use old pillows, or you can use cotton balls, whatever you have at hand, something to stuff it with. I use this as the best thing for stuffing. I always go back to it. It's an old paintbrush, and it's had the end cut off, but it kind of pushes in the stuffing really well. I'm going to be sewing this together today with waxed cord and my big sort of blunt large-eyed needle, and I've just got some hardware which I will insert before I start stitching, even though it's annoying when you're stitching and it's on there. It's much easier than getting it on at the end. Okay, so let's get started. First of all, we want to pop our hardware through, and this is just a simple folded design. There we go. So you can use directional fabric, but obviously one side will be upside down. Here we go. I think this is, with the ribbons, you tend to have them just a solid colour anyway, because each colour represents something different, and I went for bright blue, well, the dark blue today, because that is an awareness colour for bowel cancer. So it's in memory of my father. Here we go, my lovely dad. Right, so we're going to start by, as I said, I'm just going to sew around here. Okay, so you can see I've gone around and I've come back, and I'm actually just going to pass my needle through so it's coming out the side there. And now I'm just going to simply start stitching around the edge, and I might work my way up with this one. And we're making like a little bit of a tube here, so you don't want to stitch too much because we're wanting to stuff it. So I'll do about 4 stitches. Now let's just move these. We get our, there we go, we've got our fluffy bits, and you just want to feed it into the little tube that we've made. There we go. And then just keep stitching, stitch and stuff, stitch and stuff. Whoops. Now you'll see there's some lines that are going across, and we're going to leave them until we go back around again, okay? So all we want to do is make a nice plump shape first. This one's always a bit tricky because you've got to go around the corner. Gosh, don't mind my nails, they're awful. Around the corner. Okay, so we've got one more stitch to go, and I'm just going to gently fill this piece here. I do everything very fast, I must say, so just slow down a little bit, and then just you want to stuff it nicely. Okay, now you can see we've got our plump little ribbon, but we've still got holes that we have to be filled in. So what we're going to do now is we're going to go around the edge, and as you go you'll see you have got a little bit of stuffing poking out. So if you just press it in as you go around, and at the end we can just trim that with any we can tidy it up and trim it with scissors. Okay, so we're going to stitch down. Now when you get to this point here, I'm actually going to stitch those stitches to one side and then back again. So I'm going to be pulling it nice and tight through the stuffing. There we go. I'm going to go back again. There we go. And then continue around the edge. So all the time we're doing this, we're making a lovely solid. Okay, so you can see we have just got to stitch through. Okay, so we've got that we've got two holes here we want to go through, so we can pull it tight. This just gives it the ribbon shape doing it this way. I'm going to push. If you get any stuffing coming through the hole, just push it back through with your needle. These are quite big holes in this. I've made them bigger because you've asked me to make the holes a little bit bigger for stitching, which I've done. Okay, so we're going back round. Couple more stitches left. Whoops, I've got a very short piece left here, so we're going to come out through the side, and then I'm just going to pass the needle through the body a couple of times, and then coming out through the side, and then you just want to trim that off with your scissors, and that will keep everything secure and in place, and you're done. There's your ribbon. Alright, I do hope you've enjoyed making those, and look forward to seeing them popping up in the group. Thanks so much. So I simply pass the needle through the body of the ribbon twice, and you can see now it's just poking through the side there. We're going to trim that off. There we go. You can go around and trim off any sort of excess fluff that might be sticking out, but you're all sorted. Okie doke. Well, I hope you enjoyed that, and these awareness ribbons are something that you'll be adding to your collection. Thanks for watching. Bye. How do I stop?